Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Liz Rose. I do mainly makeup tutorials on this channel. If you would like to see more of that, then make sure you are subscribed before you leave. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. And yeah, today I have a full face of drugstore kind of like prom dramatic look. It is quite a dramatic one. But if you enjoy it, then please let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you're going to prom this year or you're graduating like me from university or college. I'd love to have a discussion in the comments, so make sure to comment down below. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so today I am using only drugstore makeup. I'm excited for this video because I know not everyone can afford more higher end makeup. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing today. It's just a nice smoky eye. I'm actually using a palette that I haven't actually used before, which I thought I did, but it doesn't look like it in the pan. So yeah. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be using all drugstore makeup. So I'm going to be using the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. Of course, I'm starting with my eyes. This is in the shade Illustrate. If I don't mention like any shade names or stuff like that, I will list everything I use down below with the shade names. And I'll also link them as well because it's just easier to find them. So I'm just going to blend this out. Okay, so the palette I'm going to go in with today is the Revolution and Imagination palette. Gorgeous shades. I swear I've used this palette before. I might have, because this shade has been used actually. So yeah, I've noticed that I haven't used many of the shades, so I'm going to give this a whirl. That's what Jeffree Star says. I've been watching him too much. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is Sorry Not Sorry, which is this deep transition shade. And I'm just going to pop this in my crease. I want this to be kind of like a smoked out look today. Okay, so then next I'm going to go into Mills, which is this orange shade here. It's quite a vibrant orange. And I'm first going to take that on a fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to go slightly on top of that brown shade. It is very pigmented, so be careful. I'm going to take a smaller, precise brush and go in with this. Okay, so after I've blended that orange out, I'm going to go into Limbo, which is the black in the palette. I'm only going to use this sparingly. I always say that and then go heavy-handed with it, so I need to be careful. I'm taking like a really small, precise brush. It's the Morphe E36 brush, and I'm just applying this to the outer corner, and I am going to, whatever's left on the brush, go into the crease. Okay, so next is the cut crease. So I'm going to be doing a quite dramatic half cut crease. I have a spot on my face by here and it is hurting. I just picked it. Yeah, don't do that. I'm going to do the cut crease now. I'm going to use the cut crease canvas, and yeah. Like a Hellcat. Okay, so next I'm going to take a mix of Angel and Hun. Hun is a little bit more gold, and then Angel is more of like a champagne kind of shade. But I want like a mix of both, just to be fussy, you know. So I'm going to go in with both now and just place that on top of where we cut the crease. And it will really bring out the shade because the base is wet still. I haven't set the base yet. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Sorry Not Sorry and just dab that over just to blend it a little bit more. I'm going to wipe under my eyes just because there's a little bit of fallout. I have quite a few spots. I think it's stress because I am coming to the end of university and I am hella stressed. Now onto the face. Woo, woo. I love doing the face. I don't know why, but I do. Oh, actually, eyeliner. This is the Supercat liner from Summer Glory. Just my usual one. Trying to use it up. It's not the best, it's not the worst. But I'm just going to line quite a thick line on my upper lash line. Okay, so I have 2 primers today. By the way, I say drugstore, I mean like everything you can get in store, in the drugstore in the UK, like Boots, Superdrug, stuff like that. Nothing like online, you don't have to go online and get it, like Morphe. I know Morphe you can get in the US and like certain countries. You can get it in the UK now, I've just realised. But it's not drug, you know. You can get everything at Superdrug or Boots, basically. This first is the NYX First Base Primer Spray. And then I'm going to use the Barry M Unicorn Primer Drops because I love these. So I'm going to spray some of this on my face. I actually haven't used this in a while. Okay, so then next I'm going to go in with foundation. I'm going to take the Revolution Fast Base Foundation Stick. I haven't got much of the 7 left. I have the 2. Where's the 6? Is the 6? Yeah. We will just go in with the 6 and 2. Oh my god, I'm actually loving how luminous I look. Okay, so then where's my concealer? For concealer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Rose. I do need to get like a darker shade, but I have been loving this since I tried it out in my testing full face video the other day. But I haven't filmed or even uploaded in like ages because I am in my last week of university and I can't wait to finish. Like a Hellcat. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with cream contour. This is the Rimmel Insta Duo Contour Stick in the shade Light. Love this, I always use it. I'm really enjoying cream contour. The spot by here will not cover up. Okay, so I'm just going to blend that out with a sponge. Okay, so I need to set my face before I get creased up in here. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder in the shade Transparent. I haven't used this in a while. I do believe it is a nice powder. Oh, it smells so good. like I've been doing lately, I'm not gonna bake, just pressing that powder on where I feel like I need it, mainly in my T-zone and obviously under my eyes. Okay, so then for bronzer, I'm gonna take the, if you know, you know what bronzer this is. It's the Rimmel Natural bronzer in the shade Sun Glow. Just gonna dust this on my face where I put that contour, just to warm my face up a bit more, as it is quite a warm tone bronzer. Okay, so then for blush, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Life's a Peach blush. Really love this blush, really complements my skin tone, and I think it'll go nicely with this look. Next, I'm going to set my face. I'm going to use the I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray in vanilla and coconut. It's a really nice mist, and it also keeps my makeup on as well, so really recommend this. Then for highlight, I'm going to take the Sleek Solstice palette. I'm going to take a mix of the bottom two shades because I want it light, but I don't want it as light as this. Okay, so whilst we have the palette out, I'm going to take the lightest shade and I'm going to put that in the inner corner. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera, do this eye and do my eyebrows, and I will be right back to do this eye and my lips. Okay, so I've done this eye, I've done my eyebrows as well. I apply the lashes, if you can guess which ones I've used. I'm not surprised. These are the Tatty lashes in T.L. Mitchell. Absolutely love these ones. I feel like they just look so dramatic, and the look is dramatic anyway. So I'm going to put some glue on. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and curl my eyelashes. When do I ever use a different mascara? Okay, so going underneath the eye, I'm going to take the Crease shade, Sorry Not Sorry, and I don't know why I put mascara on already. I'm just blending that all the way across. I'm going to take Mills, which is the orange shade, and again do the same thing. And then lastly, just taking the tiniest bit of black and running that along the outer part of my eye, just connecting that to the upper lid shades. That is pretty much it for the eyes. Okay, so now for lips. Lips, I wanted to go for a neutral look, so I'm gonna take the NYX, these are all NYX products, I didn't mean to, but they are. I'm gonna take the lip liner in London and the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Sandstorm. And then I'm going to take the NYX Lingerie Shimmer Lip Gloss in this shade Clear. Okay, so this is it. This is the final look. It is like for you people who are going to prom maybe, or like a graduation ball, something like that, and you want more of a dramatic look. This will be definitely for you. Let me know down below if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you enjoy more drugstore videos. Let me know in the comments. If you are going to prom or graduation, enjoy yourself. I have graduation soon and cannot wait. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave and like this video if you did. And yeah, I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.